to you.
Tesla.
Tesla. Science. Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video today I know a lot of people have been buying STARLINK or looking at getting STARLINK. We have got STARLINK, it is pretty good. And I know a lot of people are heading that way. So I wanted to make a video just to give you a bit of a rundown of an easy way to install STARLINK onto your van or caravan without drilling or cutting into your car. Because that was one big thing that I did not want to do when I got it. I did not want to cut into the frame of the car at all. So the big problem is, this is the plug from the STARLINK. It's a molded plug, so you can't cut it. So with this plug makes it very difficult because you can't run it through a cable gland or anything like that, because to get that plug through, nothing's going to close down on this small cable. So that was the biggest concern I had when we went to do this, when I saw that. Because this is what plugs into your modem. This cable is hardwired into the satellite on the roof, runs all the way in. You have to plug that into your modem, so you can't cut this cable at all. But I found quite an easy way to install it, and like I said, no drilling or cutting into your van, so it's perfect. So here is my STARLINK. I have sleeved the cable into black Coro just to protect the cable from the sun and other elements. I have secured the STARLINK down with these stainless steel bulldog clips, bolt on from the bottom. They're very sturdy. My STARLINK does not move at all. I ran the cable to the back of the van, tying it to the fixing points on all my roof racks.
There was no way that I can pass it to you. I know.
Because that's what the groove sits in.
We're going to run that.
So I ran the cable to the back of my van, and I found, so your back gasket here, all your cables to do your tail light or your windscreen wipers is running through here. So I found that I could pop the gasket out, and there was heaps of space in behind there. There's plenty of space to get that molded plug through. So that's what I wanted to do. So all I did was just cut a little hole into the rubber, which you could then fill up with silicone. As you can see, it's not the only cable I've brought into this back gasket. That is the grey cable there, that is the STARLINK cable there. It goes in here with my solar and my light cables. So there is heaps of space through there, and I'd imagine every type of van is going to have a very similar setup.
Oh no, you've done it. No going back there.
No. I pulled the plug through the factory-made hole and ran the cable around the edge of my ceiling, tying the cable to the fixing points that the original wiring harnesses are tied to. I pulled the cable down the inside of my inner wall and popped it out beside my inverter, which is where I intended for my STARLINK modem to be situated. All that is left to do now is plug both of your cables into your modem, and you're finished.
So,
Watch this.
Is it just locating it? Is it locating the
I
satellite?
just stowed it